Hi, today in front of you VIVO X90 Pro and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel, and to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon, and you will see here this down section with invisible options. To add them to your panel, we should just hold it and drag them to this up section. To remove some of the options from here, we should just hold it and by the same way drag it to the down. And to change the positions of the icons here, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. To save the changes, just click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.